TM lowers blood pressure, superior to all the other stress management techniques. So when somebody says, I'm going to get a stress management course, it's really important which one you choose. For anxiety, for problems with alcohol abuse, for anger management problems, I saw people responding. I would refer them to the local TM center and they would respond. So you have a healthier, more intact group of workers, and that's obviously going to translate into a more profitable business. In addition, the different parts of the brain that begin to work more coherently with one another begin to make a person more effective, more efficient, and even more creative.
The reason people get stressed and they feel too busy is they've got too many things going on. Well, not all those things are that important. Some are more important, some are less important. I think meditation helps you realize these are the things I need to do. These are the things that are less important that I can get to if I have time. By being more thoughtful and focused, you find time. You actually end up with more time than you would without meditation.
The best decision that I ever made was investing in people and investing in the Transcendental Meditation program here. I think it has created a culture of progress and a culture of health.
Well, my employees are like my extended family, and the biggest gift that I can give anybody is meditation, because it has such terrific effects. A centeredness and a calmness, and it also, I find, produces a creativity, because creativity comes from the inside. It's not like you can muscle it from your conscious cerebral mind.
So we started meditating. 7 of us, 7 led to 70, led to 270, led to now everybody in the company meditates. And you can't imagine what's happened in the company. People who used to have migraines don't, people are sleeping better, people have better relationships, people interact with other people better. It's been fantastic.
There's a terrific study showing where people start to meditate, how their costs, their medical costs go down compared to the non-meditating controls that go up. So there's every reason to expect that the introduction of this practice is going to play itself out.
I encourage you to consider offering Transcendental Meditation to the people who work in your company or organization. I believe it will be one of the wisest decisions you will ever make.